Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir. Today I am going to teach you class 4. Subject will be English and textbook I am going to use which is Marigold. Unit 1 Wake Up, which is a poem, and Neha's alarm clock is a lesson I will teach you afterwards. Unit 1 Wake Up. So here, as you can see, my dear student, you have to recite it after when I recite. Let's read and recite. Wake up is our title of the poem. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. So, here, this small boy who is telling to wake up. So, my dear student, I want to ask you to whom he is telling to wake up. Let me highlight it and show you. He is telling to wake up these birds and all the things which is surrounded here, as you can see in the picture, my dear students. So he's saying, wake up, it's a lovely day. Means it's a morning, and he's telling everyone to wake up. Oh, please get up and come and play. So, with whom this little boy is playing? With birds, ducks, who is in the pond, squirrel, you can see, birds are flying. So, this boy wanted to play with all these creatures. The birds are singing in the trees. You can see the birds here. Birds are flying. So the birds are singing a song. So this boy gets fascinated by them. And you can hear the buzzing bees. Buzzing bees means, my dear student, all the small flying birds who are making a sound of buzz. He's he can hear it, and he's saying all the buzzing bees. Now moving on to second stanza, as we can see, here he's saying, wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepy head. So he is telling to everyone who is sleeping on their beds and not getting up. Sometimes small children sleep very late in the morning, means they get up very late. So he is trying to tell everyone, not only the kids, but everyone, those who are sleeping very late in the morning. So he is saying, come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. You are already late. Don't sleep too much in the morning time. Get up, hurry up, and let's play together. In third stanza, it is written, wash and dress and come on out. Wash and dress and come on out means take a bath, wear a new dress, and come out. Everyone is up and about, means he is saying that you get ready, everybody are waiting for you. You just come. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, the tiniest chicken, chip, 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 wake up. So here is telling that you come, everyone are waiting. Means who are waiting? The cow, the horses, the ducks and sheep, and even the tiny chickens. So I hope you understood this stanza, my dear student, and the writer of this poem is C. Fletcher. I hope you understood this. Thank you so much